Liverpool fan, am I permitted to take an early peep over the English Premier League fence? It's just 5 games into the season, but while other contenders and pretenders such as Arsenal, Manchester City, Chelsea, Tottenham Hotspurs, we can even stretch it to Manchester United. While they're all entangled in a quagmire of wishful thinking, Liverpool is a perfect 5 from 5 on 15 points, 5 clear at the top of the standings. But guess what? There are still 33 games to be played, and there might yet be many a slip between the cup and the lip as we maneuver the rest of the season. So all things considered, still think it's too early to consider Liverpool favourites for the EPL title. I know you all want to place that burden of favouritism on our backs, but please, let us not jump the proverbial gun. It is still anybody title for win. Absolutely anybody can win it from here except Manchester United.